Currently, the best method I've discovered to make $3 every 35 seconds is to watch YouTube videos. Do you believe I'm kidding? Let's check out the brand new website Follow Fast first, shall we? We now have the opportunity to make money online by only watching videos thanks to this service. Look at the withdrawal history for each of these recent ones. On exhibit are people from all over the world who frequently cash out real money. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. I therefore want you to visit this website, followfast.com. First and foremost, in essence, this program enables people like you and me to make money online by merely watching movies. A few of the most recent withdrawals are shown here. They'll demonstrate to you how real money is being paid out daily by individuals from all around the world. View this, please. Only today have we noticed how transparent they are about letting you know how much money you're making and how much you have available to spend. Look at all of these individuals from different nations who can withdraw money into their bank accounts, PayPal accounts, or other payment methods of their choosing. Now that we are all ready to start producing money, I want you to carefully follow every instruction in this video. Now that you've reached the followfast.com homepage, I want you to click on the Join button here. This will direct you to a page where you may register for a free account and sign up here. In the first place, you may just respond with your login, email address, password, and confirmation of your password. As for the location, it will detect your location right here automatically. So don't stress over that. And it's great that they're welcome visitors from all over the world. Therefore, we must place the catch here. In this instance, you are free to type any numbers you see. I just enter the numbers that show up on the screen. After I've completed filling out all of my information, I'll just click on this blue Join button over here. When you log into your account, you'll get a screen like this. Don't worry, you can complete this on a computer or a phone. So when you arrive to the homepage of your dashboard, I want you to enter and select these YouTube buttons. Here, you may find place likes, dislikes, and subs. As you can see, I want you to click on this red button that reads Play Now as soon as you land on this page. See where you can start viewing YouTube videos and making money online by scrolling to the bottom of the page. Here is my first piece of advice for you. Please pay great attention since you must view the YouTube videos for at least 35 seconds in order to get points. As soon as you gain points, you may immediately turn them into cash. As a result, in this case, watching the movies has the potential to reward you with points. Simply click on the blue play button here to be taken to the YouTube videos that are displayed here. The countdown will have started for 35 seconds when you visit the website again. Since you may pause the movie on the website, return there and wait until the time countdown is through. You can get points by using this tactic once the clock has reached 0 seconds, which means you don't have to actually watch the video. I'll give you another example later, but for now, as you can see on my brand new account, which you can now earn points by watching movies, you'll see points right here if I descend furthermore. If you want to see this YouTube video, just click the play button here. I did nothing more than pause the movie. Actually, I didn't watch them. I went back to the website where you can see that the countdown has begun. There are 35 seconds left till you get paid, so all you have to do is wait. The points have been added to my account as you can see. You have unlimited access to watch YouTube videos. Actually, it's incredibly easy and simple. Over the next 3 days, they will continue to refresh for you. So let me give you one more piece of advice that will enable you to fast double or triple your money. For instance, if you wish to earn points by watching this video, you can see the second video in a new tab on your phone or computer to get another points, and you can watch both movies at once. This means that you are not required to watch a single video for 35 seconds. Instead, you're free to open as many tabs as you like and watch as many videos as you like, up to and including 10. Consider opening a new tab specifically for this movie and pressing the play button right here. You simply click the play button a second time to see the second video after opening a new tab. As you can see, I'm going to view 2 videos simultaneously. one after the other. As you can see, I can return to this website and begin the first video's 35-second countdown once more, after which the second video will begin its own countdown. This is a very cool and incredibly effective method for you to view 5, 10, or even 20 YouTube videos at once while earning a lot of money much faster than other people. You can see that the credit points were immediately applied to your account. As a result, I'd like to offer you one more piece of advice as you watch YouTube videos like this one. Click on this gear settings and switch the playback speed from normal to double. Simply click on this tool to enable us to play the video twice as quickly, which will allow you to earn money more quickly. If you put in enough effort, you can watch a lot more films and make a lot more money online. You can really slow down to 144 right here if you go to the quality section here and select automatic, which will allow us to watch in low quality while save a ton of time and data on your mobile device. As a result, you'll be able to watch a lot more videos and make a lot more money. So let's move on to the following supplementary advice. You will be brought to a website where you can request daily or hourly bonus points when you click on one of the daily bonus buttons. By simply logging into your account each day and watching 50 videos, you can get 100 daily points. Alternatively, you can watch 15 videos to do so. That's a big amount of points. By watching this video, for instance, you can only earn about 4 points, but once we get the bonus, we can easily earn 100 bonus points. Additionally, there is an hourly bonus where you may earn 25 points every hour and additional bonus points by merely watching free online videos. Therefore, taking advantage of this fantastic chance only requires going to the daily bonus section and watching additional videos. You can receive hourly pay or daily bonuses. Finally, if you want to withdraw your money, just click this button here that says Cash Out, and you'll be led to a page where you can choose how you want to pay. For instance, you can withdraw money using Bitcoin and PayPal Perfect Money. Don't worry if this choice isn't available to you right now. There are numerous ways to get money. As you can see, they welcome visitors from all around the world and accept many different forms of payment. In other words, after earning points simply by watching movies, you can turn those points into real money. To pay out your money, all you need to earn is about $1.50. If you earn $1.50, you can cash out or withdraw your money from your account, and all you have to do is wait 3 to 5 business days to get your money. This is the minimum payout scheme. It's that easy. Additionally, you may essentially view an endless number of these films to earn money online every day. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.